You are looking for to make money online. If you don't have any knowledge or skill or any types of investing power to start your journey for earning more and more from online, I want to share how to get paid $300 per day from Google Spreadsheet without any types of hesitation from any corner of this world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you are interested and you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching. If you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more. Or on the other hand, if you want to make a golden career on online just like this and watch the all types of videos from here step by step. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first website. This is called hireshine.com. hireshine.com is a fantastic and popular website to start your journey for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. There are lots of work over here, and step by step I want to share and how you will get paid by completing that type of job easily from any corner of the world. If you come over here, and this one is the common characteristics about hireshine.com. Few benefits of working from home. This one is better flexibility, more time freedomness, and this one is find work and get hired, typing jobs, paid survey jobs, proofreading jobs over here, and you will get paid after doing this one. This one are projects, online workers, clients, global awards over here. And if you come over here, you will get lots of features. Hire the right freelancers for the job, manage jobs from anywhere, pay only for a job well known, post your project and receive competitive quote over here. So why should you come here? First of all, you have to make an account and just you have to start your journey on this platform. First of all, what type of job you have to search after creating an account step by step I wanna share. If you come to this current openings, and just there are lots of jobs over here, and I wanna share how will you make an Excel sheet for ensuring extra cash from hireshine.com. If you come to this Google Spreadsheet, there are lots of columns and rows over here, and you will use this one to complete that type of job from hireshine.com easily. So step by step I want to share. Pay close attention to complete this video for starting earning from any corner of this world. You can do it on your Google Spreadsheet, or on the other hand you will be able to use Microsoft Excel easily to do this same work. So first of all, you have to get the jobs from this website, and you must use this Google Spreadsheet altogether. You can earn per sheet, I mean Google sheet will be able to $60, and if you want to work more and more from this website, I mean hireshine.com, you will get paid more and more. If you complete only one Google Spreadsheet, you will get paid $60, and then if you will complete 5 Google Spreadsheet, you will get paid $300, and for 10 Google Spreadsheet you will get paid $600. The more you will spend the time over here, and you will get paid more and more from this hireshine.com. So after coming here, first you have to click on this Excel sheet freelancer, and you will get this amazing feature. Become an Excel sheet freelancer and get flexibility of working virtually for your direct clients. And after doing more and more work on this platform, you will get paid more and more. A minimum age of 16 years, a personal computer with up to date software, and mind it, you can do this work on your computer or on your uh, mobile phone, I think. A reasonably fast internet connection with 24/7 connectivity possibility to be available for 2 to 3 hours for 5 days in a week. This is the remote job work. You can do it freely from any corner of the world easily. So after accepting this application from, you will be get the job from this website, and you have to complete the jobs on Google Sheets correctly, and you will get paid. So first of all, you have to create an account. Now I want to share step by step all together. So after doing this one, after reading all the criteria over here, just click on this apply to be an Excel sheet freelancer. And now I'd like to share how you will get paid after doing this type of job over here. And if you come to this all types of job, you will get you will look over here, and this one is a spreadsheet entry job. Earn 0.3 to 0.4 per sale. I mean sale. This one, if you come to this Google as a spreadsheet, and this one is sale over here, and this one is also sale over here, and per sale you will get paid $0.3 to $0.4 over here. And then you have to create an account after coming here, and this is the application form. You have to fill up first name, last name, and you have to use a username, and this one is age minimum. You have to use 18 years plus, and email address and password. This one is also confirm password, and this one is mobile number, and male or female you have to select from here, and this one is select your notice period. So mind it, if you want to get a job quickly, you have to select immediately, and as a result you will be able to get more jobs quickly as soon as possible over here. Which position are you interested in? Just you have to click on this and Excel sheet freelancer job over here, and this one is country. You can select from here, and this one is your current work status. And first of all, this one is freelancer, housewife, student, self-employed, business, and on the other hand retired person and other. If you want to get job more and more, then first of all you have to select freelancer over here. So you have to select this one. Now I have written a short bio about myself over here. This one is, hey, I am Kalim. I would like to apply for Excel sheet freelancer and eagerly to be accepted as quickly as possible. All jobs will be done on time. This one is the tricky way for ensuring your job from this website. All jobs will be done on time with extreme accuracy. This is the best key points to use for ensuring your jobs over here, and then you have to select this one, register button here. So this is the best way to create an account on hireshine.com. Just after submitting this application form, you have to wait for a few days, and after approving this account, and you can get the jobs from hireshine.com. There are lots of jobs you will be able to get from hireshine.com. After getting the job from this website, what should you do? And you can do the work on a spreadsheet, I mean Google spreadsheet on Microsoft Excel. They will provide the job within 1 day or within 2 days. And after getting the job, this type of job I would like to share, and this one is participant name, and this one is height, and this one is weight, and this one is age, and this is the total calculation of the different types of people, I mean weight, height, and age. So these are 3 columns, 1 2 3 columns, and up to there are 100 cells over here. So you can do it on a spreadsheet or Google spreadsheet on Excel altogether, or as you can see here. So first of all, you have to use this one. I have used this one. Yeah, United Google Spreadsheet. First of all, I have written here participant number, and this one 1 2 3 up to 100, and this one height centimeter, and this one weight, and this one is also age. After doing this one, you have to submit. Now I would like to calculate how much you will earn from here. Now I would like to open computer calculator from here. This one is 1 2 3 columns over here, 3 columns, and there are 100 cells over here. Total columns over here, total row and columns over here. That's are called sale. Earn $0.3 to 0.4 per sale. Total 100 up to 300. And if you do this work from here, and just I would like to calculate 0.2 dollar per sale from here, and you will get paid $60, I think, for 100 sales on Google Spreadsheet. Boom, this is the best and easiest way. You can do it without any types of hesitation or without any types of invest on this platform from any corner of this world. If you work more and more on this highersign.com, you will get paid more and more. First time, you have to submit your work sincerely to this website for ensuring extra work for earning from any corner of this world. This is the best way and easiest way, I think. If you calculate this one for only one spreadsheet work, you will get paid $60, and for 5 spreadsheet you will get paid $300, like this. So this is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash from any corner of the world. I could really request to make an account on highersign.com and get paid $300 at least per month from this website. So thanks for watching my videos. I'll catch you guys in my next video. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the notifications for ensuring more and more videos for ensuring extra cash from